Guys, it is a very exciting day today. Today the concrete truck is coming and we are going to get all the sidewalk poured. So as you've seen in the latest videos, we redid the drains, took out the old sidewalk. This sidewalk is going to be much bigger. Got the slope good. I mean, it's just going to be so much prettier than what was here before. So everything's all prepped and ready, and they'll be pouring here soon. Last one. So guys, boy, does just a couple of days make a big difference. And man, I knew we were cutting it close, but y'all see a little bit of snow on the ground? Boy, I tell you, if they'd have waited a little bit longer, I don't know that we'd have got this poured. But anyway, I'll swing the camera around and I'll show you all the results. But so here's our finished product, and as you can see, the sidewalk is a lot wider than it was. And this has got steel in it, so hopefully it won't crack. We put rebar in it, plus we have the fiberglass mesh. And we have the steel, we drilled holes into the porch and we locked and tied all this together, so hopefully this should not settle. Obviously I've got a lot of landscaping to do. I'm guessing this is going to end up waiting till springtime, but all of this will get redone, as well as all of this up through here will get redone. All right, hang on and I'll show you the other two parts we did. Alrighty, so before the asphalt just kind of curved over the edge, and it wasn't holding like it should had, and it had already started cracking and falling away. So, and my dad was really concerned that somebody could back and just go over into the ditch, so we wanted to put something substantial here. So we ended up forming up and we poured these in concrete, and man, they are thick and they go deep in the ground and they have lots of steel in them. But you can see, if somebody wasn't paying attention, they could back off, and that would be a bad afternoon, not only for us, but for whoever's driving the car. So anyway, we got this done. Turned out nice. I've still got a lot of dressing up to do around the edges, but I did get it pulled and backfilled, and I've still got it. This will be more to come on this in the spring. Hang on, one more thing. All right, and the last part is this lower patio. We added the steps to it, so now you can come through here, step down. You're onto a nice little patio, and then I'll obviously work to tie in the mulching beds on this side, and as well as the mulching beds over here. We'll do something really nice and pretty. And you can see the gate. The gate goes back here. I've got to still reinstall it, but it all turned out great. So guys, once again, a great project coming to an end. Well, another phase of this project. I've still got all the landscaping to do. So for right now, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys following along with my channel. If you will, I hope you like the variety. Please like, share, and subscribe for me. It would really help me out. I'm still working to grow this. And for now, you guys have a great day, great time, great holiday season, because we're in the middle of that now. Guys, I'll check you on the next one. Take care. See ya.